Hi everyone, in today's video I wanted to talk to you about aftermarket blind spot detection. With the average cost of a new vehicle well over $40,000, we are seeing a lot of clients hanging onto their cars and simply adding aftermarket features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, reverse camera, and blind spot detection. We have tried a couple different brands over the years as this technology has become available, but at the moment we've had the best luck with the Advent system, that is the ADVBSD30. It comes with a 3-year warranty, and out of all the brands that we've tried, it's the most factory-like in fit and function. Now you won't actually see the sensors. They're pretty small, they get mounted behind the bumper at a calibrated 30-degree angle. One of the cool things about this kit, it actually comes with the calibration tool so our technicians can make sure that they are mounted at the appropriate angle. The functionality is going to be very similar to a factory system. It's going to be active when you're over 20 miles per hour. If there is a vehicle in your blind spot, there will be a small indicator light, a little smaller than the size of a quarter, and this is going to be mounted in your A-pillar area. That indicator light is going to illuminate if there is someone in your blind spot. Now, if you have your turn signal on at the same time, there's going to be an audible alert to let you know, hey, don't make that turn, there's actually a vehicle there. In addition to blind spot detection, this system also comes with the very popular feature called cross-traffic detection. That is when you are in a busy parking lot, like a Costco on a Saturday morning, and you have cars zipping past you back and forth, and you're just trying to back out of your parking space. This is going to detect those vehicles crossing behind you and give you an audible alert to let you know it's time to stop. If you are local to our shop in Brookfield, Connecticut and would like more information about blind spot detection for your vehicle, you can call or text us at the shop. We'd be happy to help. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.